Welcome to another Pick Pina Group property tour. Today we're looking at 27 McClelland Way, the Muse at Allwood. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a second level for additional living space. There's nothing else for sale right now in this complex, so you're in luck. Come on in and take a look. I love this open layout with vaulted ceilings and plenty of natural light. This renovated kitchen has gorgeous granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, self-closing drawers, and a breakfast bar for easy dining. The master bedroom has its own private full bathroom and organized walk-in closet. A laundry room right in this unit allows great convenience. At the second level, you'll find additional living space perfect for any needs. Enjoy the outdoors on your own private terrace. Thank you for taking this home tour. If you or anyone you know is interested, please contact us before it's gone. And remember, pick Pina.